And we start this noon with breaking news. A 4.8 magnitude earthquake has struck central New Jersey, and it could be felt as far away as New York City, Philadelphia, and Washington, D.C. Now, the epicenter was just northeast of Lebanon, New Jersey, which is about 50 miles west of New York City. As of now, the city's police department says no injuries or damage has been reported, but that earthquake is impacting air travel. The Federal Aviation Administration says flights to New York Kennedy, Philadelphia, Baltimore, and Newark airports are on hold right now. That says runways are inspected for potential damage. Right now, we are not seeing a chain reaction of this creating delays at mid-Michigan airports, but we will keep you updated. Stay with ABC 12.